Hello and welcome. Planning a trip to Expo 2025 Osaka, Kansai? You're in the right place. This massive global event is exciting, but preparation is key. This video is your essential guide to navigating the expo smoothly. We'll cover exactly what you need to bring and what you should definitely leave behind. Let's get you ready for Expo 2025. First up, let's talk about what not to bring into the expo site. Security checks are thorough, and certain items are strictly prohibited for safety, security, and operational reasons. Key things to leave at your accommodation or in off-site storage include alcohol of any kind. Canned drinks or glass bottles are definite no-nos. Professional camera gear like large tripods or monopods, and often selfie sticks too, can be restricted. Pets are not allowed, with the exception of registered service animals. And critically important, large luggage, suitcases with wheels, or any oversized bags are generally not permitted inside the venue. On-site storage is extremely limited and reported to be quite expensive, so your best bet is to travel light for the day or use luggage storage facilities at major transport hubs or nearby stations like Bentensho or Sakurajima before heading to the expo. Always double-check the official Expo 2025 website for the most current and complete list of prohibited items before your visit, as rules can be specific and sometimes updated. Now, let's dive into the top 10 essential items that will make your expo visit much smoother, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Number 1 remains your printed QR code. Even in our digital age, having a printed version of the QR code for your entry ticket is highly recommended by many visitors. Why? It can significantly speed up your entry process at the gate. Plus, it acts as a vital backup if your phone battery dies, you have internet connectivity issues, or face problems logging into the ticket site right when you need it most, like entering the venue or accessing a reserved pavilion. Keep that printout somewhere safe and easily accessible. Number 2. Cashless payment methods. This is absolutely crucial and non-negotiable. The Expo 2025 site is completely cashless. Let me repeat that. No cash is accepted anywhere on site, not even at vending machines or small stalls. You must have a cashless payment method. Thankfully, major international credit card brands like Visa and MasterCard are widely accepted, as are contactless payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay on your smartphone or smartwatch. Japanese IC transit cards like Suica or Pasmo might also work for payments if they are sufficiently charged. Ensure your chosen methods are ready for international use and inform your bank about your travel plans if necessary. While there are ways to load funds onto Expo-specific digital wallets using cash on site, relying on your primary credit card or phone payment is generally the most seamless approach. Be prepared. Number 3. The official Expo app. Expo 2025 visitors. This app is practically essential, so download it well before your visit. It's your central hub for navigating the expo. Key features include an interactive map, real-time wait times and congestion info, making reservations for popular pavilions, turn-by-turn route guidance, including a cool AR overlay option. Plus, its personal agent uses AI to give you personalized recommendations for pavilions, events, and even suggests optimized daily tour routes based on your interests and crowd levels. Seriously, explore this app before you go. Number 4. A high-capacity mobile battery or power bank. With heavy reliance on the official app for maps, reservations, AR navigation, recommendations, plus taking photos and videos, your smartphone battery will drain much faster than usual. While the user feedback correctly notes that there are charging spots available on site, imagine how high the demand for these will be, with thousands of visitors all needing a charge. Don't count on finding an available spot easily when you need it. Bringing your own fully charged high-capacity power bank and the necessary cable is strongly advised for peace of mind. Number 5. Get your Expo free Wi-Fi set up early. The Expo does offer free Wi-Fi access, which is great for saving your mobile data allowance. However, connecting for the first time can sometimes involve a registration process. To save precious time and hassle inside the busy Expo site, check the official website for instructions on how to connect to the Expo free Wi-Fi. If it allows you to register or configure the connection in advance, do it comfortably from your home or hotel before you head to the Expo for the day. Number 6. The paper map situation. While the app is definitely the primary navigation tool, what if you really want a paper map? As feedback indicated, you can usually buy an official paper map on site, typically near the information centers upon entering. However, expect it to cost around 200 yen, and more importantly, there might be a significant queue to purchase one, especially during peak entry times. So weigh that against using the app or perhaps printing out a map section from the official website yourself before you leave, just as a simple backup. Number 7. Your water bottle. Staying hydrated is vital, especially on long expo days. You should definitely bring a water bottle. Regarding the type, while reusable is environmentally friendly, the key restriction is no cans or glass bottles. Standard plastic bottles, like PET bottles common in Japan, or your own reusable plastic or metal bottles are generally allowed. User feedback also noted they don't necessarily make you empty it at security, though always be prepared for security rules to be strictly enforced. The main benefit is having a vessel to refill at the numerous free water stations throughout the site, keeping you hydrated without constantly buying drinks. Number 8. Check for Pavilion-Specific apps in advance. Keep in mind that some individual pavilions, especially those offering highly interactive or personalized experiences, might require you to download their own separate app. If you have specific pavilions on your must-see list, it's worth checking the official Expo website or the main Expo app beforehand to see if any additional app downloads are needed. This avoids delays once you're there. Number 9. Pack some snacks. Exploring the vast Expo grounds burns a lot of energy. While there are many food options, from restaurants to food stalls representing global cuisines, they can get extremely busy with long waiting times, particularly around lunchtime. Packing some of your own convenient snacks, like energy bars, nuts, dried fruit, or maybe Japanese convenience store favorites, like onigiri, rice balls, if you buy them beforehand, can be a lifesaver. It allows you to eat while waiting in line for a pavilion, or just refuel quickly without losing valuable exploration time. Number 10. Carry a small trash bag. This is a simple but practical tip. Public trash and recycling bins are available, but they might be spaced out or could become full during peak periods. Carrying a small plastic bag to temporarily hold your own wrappers, used tissues, or other small bits of trash until you find an appropriate bin is considerate, helps keep the expo environment clean, and is just plain convenient. Beyond those 10 items, let's reemphasize 2 final crucial points. Check the weather forecast specifically for the Yumeshima area. Being an island in Osaka Bay, the expo site is exposed and can experience different conditions than central Osaka, often much windier. Dress in adaptable layers. Sun protection, hat, sunglasses, sunscreen is essential, even on overcast days. And definitely pack a compact umbrella or a lightweight rain poncho as showers can pass through. And please, wear your most comfortable walking shoes. You absolutely will be doing a significant amount of walking and standing throughout the day. The expo site is enormous. Prioritize comfort over style for your footwear. Your feet will thank you profusely at the end of the day. Well-cushioned sneakers or proven walking shoes are your best friends here. So that's our updated and detailed guide to preparing for your visit to Expo 2025 Osaka Kansai. To recap the essentials, check what's prohibited before you go. Ensure you have cashless payment ready. Download and explore the official app with its powerful personal agent features. Bring a printed QR code backup. Pack that power bank. Consider your water bottle and snack strategy. Prepare for the weather and wear those comfy shoes. Planning ahead with these tips will genuinely help you navigate the event more smoothly, save time, and allow you to fully immerse yourself in the incredible sights, sounds, and innovations that Expo 2025 has to offer. We sincerely hope this comprehensive guide was helpful for your planning. Have an absolutely fantastic and memorable time exploring the future at Expo 2025. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more travel tips and guides. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with any other questions you might have, or share your own tips if you've already visited the expo.